is. Oh yeah, nice big brown. All right. Well, here we are, folks. We have a mystery vehicle, and we have no idea if the guy is fishing or not. But we'll see if there's any bite here. We got all kinds of plans up our sleeves these days.
Got lots of backup plans.
Boy, with these clouds, it might not have been a bad day to Rocks here, Adam.
You got gold, I got silver. Looks like Adam's got silver too. Don't ignore those cut banks. Water feels nice and cold.
Yep. There's the first fish. There's the first.
14 there. Came out of that grass cut. Oh, big fish.
All right. Nice shot.
Oh shit, he's off.
So that's silver.
That was an 18 under that cut bank. That was an 18-incher. Shit! He was barely hooked though. Had one in the bottom lip. Damn it! But yeah, hit those cut banks. There's a little guy. Alright, finally on the board. Little guy. Yeah. A 9-inch brown. He hit right at the end too.
Oh yeah.
It's very wavy, I don't like that. But alright, you think you can get one underneath there?
I was thinking about it. Nice one.
It's fouled up though.
Oh, you still got him.
He's snagged. Snagged one with a fouled lure. Right in.
I'm fouled up too there on that cast.
Yeah, I hit that stick and it fouled me up. And another little guy. That one was foul hooked.
Switch to a silver 15 teardrop with a black, red, and white tri-tail.
That's a decent brook. That one got all 3 hooks. Yeah. Nice little 7-8-inch brook.
They like that Canadian.
Uh-huh. Don't skip that right cut bank. Here's the rain. Told you not to skip that cut bank.
Way to go, Adam.
That's a nice fish.
Land him. Yeah.
That's a
That's
chunky.
a great fish. 15 or so?
Yeah, that might be better.
Yeah, it's better.
Cut bank. Told you. Put that on the called it reel.
Called it. You get the fish.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
2 hands. 2 hands, he's a beast.
That's a fat boy. About 16, 17?
Whoa, that's 20.
No, it's not.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not.
That's 20.
You are measuring from the wrong
Try
spot.
here on mine. Go to the butt.
Yeah, that's 17, dude. 17 and a half.
17 and a half. Beautiful heron bite.
Oh, mine is from the butt.
Yeah.
Heron bite too, Adam. You see that,
That's
Adam?
17.
Got
17 and a
heron bite.
half.
Show them this way so I can see you. Smile, cheese. Yeah. Great fish, Adam. Great fish. That's big fish right now. That is big fish. I laid off the silver on the guys here to start. You know, I'll get to the gold. Get off the gold now. Here comes the waterfall. There we go, off the schneid. Little brown for me.
It was a proper tree fish.
Little brown for me. Adam's still holding big fish, folks. Could get better. Oh, hold up, big fish, big fish. Little brown. So we've seen a couple of bigger fish, but that's not a big fish. That's a little fish. Yep. Nice. There's a nice brown. All right. Look at the girth on this thing.
What's that? Oh yeah.
Fatso. Really fat, bronzed up fish. He goes 15. Look at the gut on that thing. Whew. Cool bronzed up patina to him, huh?
A lot of leaves in the water now.
Another little brown. Another little brown.
Crazy.
Yeah. Super rippled up trout clouds there, folks.
That is some serious
that bush.
instability.
Right off that bush, biggin'.
Oh, there he was. Wasn't that big.
That whole bush area there, I caught nice fish there before.
There's a little guy. There he is.
Double!
Adam, look at the color on this
That's a
guy.
nice one there, Chef.
Did you want to eat a fish? You said you wanted to maybe keep one.
If we kill one.
Yeah,
Wow,
double.
that's nice fish.
Look at the color on that sucker. Just bright orange.
Beauty.
Yeah.
This was the one that came out at the first cast. He came and got it.
To go. I'd rather
Yeah.
if it's gilled.
Okay. Hit that grass edge.
Thanks, Cut. You see a fish in there.
Should be. Oh, nice one.
Yep.
That's a nice one.
Greg can probably get it.
I'm on it.
Slightly.
Bring him down here. I got him.
Nice fish, Adam.
That's another fatty.
Another 17.
Told you there'd be one in that cut.
Another 17. Called it.
It's another nice 16. Whoa! He's mad.
Net, so trying to maybe I can pop the hook out here. Ow. Squeeze them too bad.
You just want me to just cut it?
He's almost done. Figure out my pliers. There we go. Now, let's just, you want to get him on camera here? Yeah. We should get a little measure of that. I mean, no, we don't really have to.
It's a 16 and a half. Yeah, nice looking fish. Looks like he stuck you. Your finger's bleeding.
Yeah.
All right. Another fat 16 and change.
Oh, sorry. Whoop, there's the bite. There, I got one. Yeah.
Ooh, pull down.
I thought you were going to hit that knee side.
Oh, there's a nice fish right there.
There he is.
Nice.
Way to go. Way to go, Chad. Got him, Adam? Another nice 15.
That's better than 15.
Yeah, I should.
Grass cut. Called it. He smashed that
Oh,
too.
yeah, he is better than 15.
That's a
16 and a half.
fat boy.
Yeah,
Got
fat
it?
toe.
Yeah, he's not coming off. He is well hooked. That fish was 17.
No.
It's about the same size as your big. I think this is
Looks
fatter.
Bigger though, yeah.
He's 16.
He's 17.
Did you measure him yet?
Yeah. Shit.
What's 16?
Here, I got one here.
That's though. Holy
You want
cow,
this
what a
one?
gut on
Yeah.
that thing.
I just can't get mine out because I closed up my pouch to keep my smokes from getting wet.
Yeah, he's 16 all day.
Oh no, he's 17. I already measured him. Alright. Look at the kype on that sucker though.
Yeah, it's a beaut.
See? 17.
$16 and a half.
3/4.
16 and a half. Told you.
Look at
it was
that
17.
beautiful color on that fish, Adam.
Beautiful fish.
Yeah, wow.
Adam
Bright
still
orange.
got big fish. Don't even try to steal it from him without a legit. Without
All
a
right, well I got
legit-
number 2 now at least.
gotta
He
be
doesn't
a
have number
legit-
1 and number 2. Right off of that grass cut. That thing was well hooked. He was in the tongue and the jaw. Little guy. Small brown.
There's a nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
Oh,
off.
there you
Got
go.
off. Got off.
Lost fish.
About 15 or 16.
Yep. Not much more than that.
Backside here. Just got one in there. Look at the color on that fish. Fuck yeah. Oh my God, Ron, look at this fish. It's not gonna be a 20, but it's gonna be close.
18, 19.
Look at the kype. Whoa, 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 hey, hey, hey. I got it. I just want to keep him from rolling into the hook. Okay. Big boy. I think he's about 18, 19.
Big fish?
I think so. It's definitely colorful fish.
Came out of nowhere.
We don't need to be on the record pace here.
No. Let me hold this.
Oh yeah, beauty. I
Yeah.
can just tell by the tail it's a fat bastard.
The color on this sucker, I just want to get it on Ron's rod roll because he's got the better one. Oh, I can barely get my hand around this fish.
Yeah. Is that a hair-on poke? Fresh
Yep.
hair-on poke on him?
Yeah, he's got a heron poke.
Couple of them maybe.
All right.
18 and a half.
18 and a quarter.
18 and a quarter. Yeah, that's a beauty.
I just want to get a good,
I don't have a good dip.
get a good
Yeah,
look
get
at
a
that
good broadside
color.
of that guy, Chef.
Look at the color on that fish. Oh. Hey,
Mad, man. Male, huh?
yeah, big old kype. Look
yeah,
at the color on that
hair
fish.
on bite. Nice fish, yes.
Big old gnarly kype on him. Look at that knob on the bottom
Yeah.
jaw.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
All right.
18 plus.
Another pushing 3-pounder.
Oh, easily.
I'm
Woo!
at that too. It was
That's got big
close to shaking off. Or,
No, he was
I
well
mean,
hooked.
It was hooked, but
He had 2 in the jaw. He wasn't coming off.
Issue there.
That big fish.
He came out of that pocket right there. There's another nice fish.
Adam? Yeah.
There's another 14, 15er. Right out of that grass cut again. Need a hand? You got him.
Adam.
Nice.
Adam's killing it. Woo.
That's another 15.
This is your best outing ever, dude. I'm glad
Yeah, I
I'm
haven't
here to
had some
see
big
it.
drums in a while.
Oh, little cutie. I think those dogs hear us. What do you think? Look at that tiny little guy. It's a nice brookie. All right. Yeah,
Like to hook them on the net right there or something?
just a touch-free release.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a nice brook. About 9 or 10.
Oops,
Oh, don't poke me.
Articulation.
Yeah, nice looking fish.
Couldn't tell what it was eating. It was black, though.
12-incher.
Ooh, there you go.
Now do you want to fish?
Is it killed?
No. That's a keeper though. It's a 12er. 12 and a half. Oh, there's a big one.
Nice one. Nice fish, right at the end. It's another fat bastard too.
Look at how yellow that guy is.
He came right at the end.
Yeah. Last second. Oh, he wasn't coming off though. Look at the size of
Look at the
thickness of
shoulders
that
on
guy.
that bastard. All right, Ron finally got a nice one in the net.
Get a measure on that guy. Looks about 15 and a half.
I'll hold your
Pull him
pole.
up out of the water. He's easy to
I'll hold
grab.
your
Well,
pole.
yeah, I was waiting for you to say.
There's the tail. 16 and a pinch.
Pretty much on the dot.
16.
That's a pretty one too.
Yeah, look at the yellow. on
Bright
that
yellow
guy.
belly. Another male. Look at that kite coming in on that sucker.
Beauty.
Big old teeth.
Super effervescent yellow.
Look
Or
at
I
the
should
teeth
say,
on that sucker. All right.
That's my best one so far.
We're all on the 16 plus
We're all
train.
smiling.
A motley crew, I say. A motley crew.
What's that?
A motley crew.
Bunch of fucking animals.
Well, if you want me to shift cars and you guys want to keep fishing, this is the spot to do that. I'm flooded. I've had enough.
Oh yeah, you went swimming.
Yep.
You're all wet?
Yep.
Yeah, he went swimming earlier. A couple of times.
Twice in the same fucking spot.
We'll dump the water out. What's the problem?
No, I've had enough. Dude, I fished every day this week.
You did, it's true.
That's plenty enough. But that's a pretty nice outing there. Sheb's had big fish at 18. Adam had a 17. We all had a 16. You guys had a couple of 16s.
Yeah.
And I had a 15. A lot of dinkers too. A lot of dinkers on all three of us. But I think other than big fish, Adam had the most quality fish today.
Hey, I got some recognition.
Yeah, you sure did. You had the best mid-range fish by far, even though Sheb's got that big one. I think you had 5 fish that were 15 and 16.
Yeah.
I'm good luck this year.
Yeah, no. I think if you guys do continue, I think Adam gets his 20 up here. There were a lot of fish in this upper section. Yeah. So I think, and I don't think the bite's on a lull. If anything, no. I think the bite's picking up.
Yeah.
So I think
it's just a question of what time
is it? So
back. We can check it. She might have canceled her.
So as always, thanks for watching Wisconsin trout fishing, and happy fishing.